Right now, digital products and making money from digital products is definitely on easy mode. And I'll say that because we are at an all-time high of people promoting private label rights digital products. Speaking of which, PLR Hustle 2.0 just now launched. Now, PLR Hustle, you may be familiar with, is a private label rights digital product brand that I created in 2020 to give you access to resellable digital products that you can license and resell as your own. Well, 2.0 just now launched, and it is phenomenal to say the least, because you only have to pay a one-time fee to access hundreds of digital products. So you pay a one-time fee, no subscriptions, no individual purchases. You get to unlock every single one of these digital products right here that you see that are proven to sell like crazy and make money while you sleep. Now, I didn't really want to make this as a promo video for PLR Hustle. I wanted to make it more as an introduction to the 2.0 and to let you know that there are literally no excuses when it comes to making passive income online. If you have a digital product, you get to choose which direction you want to take things. Do I want to focus on building an audience and selling to my audience, or do I want to master paid ads? You'll want to choose one of these directions. If you are more of a shy person, then you may want to master paid ads and do everything behind the scenes. But if you're somebody that don't mind putting yourself out there, building an audience on Instagram or on TikTok or even right here on YouTube is a very smart thing, because once you have access to hundreds of products that will sell like crazy, the sky's truly the limit for your income. So basically, if nothing changes, then nothing changes. I'm sure you've heard that saying before. Hopefully I didn't slaughter it. I don't think I did. But seriously, think about it. If you don't change anything, nothing is going to change in your life. So if you don't understand that Pinterest, for example, this topic right here can make you $50,000 a month if you put into work. Now, if we go over here to YouTube and we type in Pinterest, let's just type in make money with Pinterest. Make money with Pinterest. These videos right here go crazy. This one right here has 1 million views. How I made $14,282 with Pinterest. 3 weeks ago, 33,000 views right there. 159,000 views right there. Pinterest is a very hot topic, not only on YouTube, but also via Google search as well. So imagine compiling a list of keywords of people wanting to make money via Pinterest and you selling this ebook right here. Well, using something like Samcart or using something like Stand Store to create a simple checkout page in order to sell people this ebook right here, you're only a few steps away to making $5,000 to $10,000 a month. Again, PLR Hustle makes it very easy because we allow you to tap into multiple niches. And if you want to tap into multiple niches and test the waters with multiple niches, it's a very simple thing to do. People are searching for Canva template. People are searching for vendor lists. People are searching for how to manifest income. People are searching for printable wall art. People are searching for how to make money with Airbnb. You just have to be the person to sell them exactly what they are searching for. You may be somebody working a 9-to-5 job and you want to escape your job, or you may be somebody that work a 9-to-5 job that you love and you just want to make a few extra $1,000s a month. Well, I'll tell you right now, digital products is definitely the way to go. We are once again at an all-time high of people making millions off of products that they did not even create. PLR Hustle is at the center of all of this. And if you too want to really tap into a passive income source that will allow you to make money while you sleep, PLR Hustle is definitely the place to go ahead and grab a license and start reselling all of these products. Now, once you go ahead and get your PLR Hustle membership, understand that there's no limit to how many products you can download monthly or even daily. You can get your membership and download every single product that we offer on the site. Now, I wouldn't recommend doing that. I would only recommend testing the waters with different niches. So if I seen a product like this right here, it's a very attractive product. So I would test it on Instagram and I would test it with Pinterest ads. So you can go ahead and do that, or you can go over here to something like, let's say, AI, this AI product. You can test this on X or Google Ads. So it's completely up to you with how you want to run tests. But what I highly recommend is that you test one product at a time. Once you see a product getting you to, let's say, 10, 30, $40 a day, you know you most likely got a winner, and you could probably scale that up to thousands of dollars a day. But again, PLR Hustle positions you to make an unlimited amount of money no matter what platform you choose. I remember selling printable wall art and just putting up a simple Shopify store. And it was plr.art. I sold about $60,000, actually about $70,000 worth of printable wall art in just a few months by simply setting up a Shopify store and setting up Pinterest ads. So the sky's truly the limit with how much money you can make with even something like printable wall art. Don't even wait any longer to start selling digital products. The time to make it happen is right now. There's so many different products to test. PLR Hustle is going to help you make that happen. Go ahead to plrhustle.com, grab your membership, and start making passive income literally while you sleep.